So, Elon Musk packed up and moved to Austin, Texas. But here's the wild part. Last month, 2,000 people actually left the city. Everyone was calling Austin the next Silicon Valley, right? Tech bros, crypto folks, California refugees, they all rushed in. Then something pretty unexpected went down. Okay, let's talk pros of moving to Austin. Apple dropped $1 billion on a campus here. Google, Meta, Oracle, they all showed up to the party. The job market went absolutely nuts. No state income tax, that's basically a 10% raise just for showing up. Couriers pulling up $300K. Everyone and their mom wanted to move to Austin, Texas. But hold up, here's the cons of moving to Austin that nobody mentions at those tech meetups. Cost of living went through the roof. We are talking about $500K minimum for a regular house. The housing market lost its mind. Property taxes jumped 25% up. And the summer heat, try 110 degrees for the month straight. Traffic got so bad, people of Austin, Texas literally quit their jobs over it. There are real disadvantages of moving to Austin, folks. Then boom, Oracle bounced from Austin. Amazon hit the brakes. Tech jobs started disappearing. Everyone's like, Austin, Texas is done. But here's the pilot twist. Nobody saw that coming. The weird, wonderful Austin we all fell in love with, it's still here. The musicians, artists, the whole cultural scene turns out those to the real advantages of moving to Austin. Look, the best pros of living in Austin were never really about the tech anyway. It's the incredible cultural space. ACL, Formula One racing, right through the downtown. The outdoor lifestyle is unbeatable. Barton Springs, gorgeous lakes, trails everywhere. The food scene, come on, it's ridiculous. Plus, 22 8 days of sunshine a year. These recreational activities are what make Austin, Texas actually special. And yeah, the heat is brutal, but it kind of filters out people who aren't serious. What's left? The most driven creative people in America. And that's exactly why the economic opportunities in Austin keep expanding. Tesla's Gigafactory, healthcare boom, startups popping everywhere. This job market is seriously thriving. Elon totally gets it. Austin's secret sauce isn't just tech jobs. It's being a magnet for people who actually want to change things. That's the real advantage of moving to Austin, Texas. Now, let's be real. The cons of living in Austin aren't jokes. Rising cost of living? Oh yeah. Heavy traffic? That's painful. Hot summers? They'll test your soul. High crime rates in certain areas? Unfortunately, yes. Poor public transit? Don't even get started. These are disadvantages of moving to Austin. Will absolutely wreck you if you show up unprepared. But here's the thing, people still keep moving to Austin, Texas. The diverse, welcoming community is legit amazing. No state income tax keeps more money in your pocket. And then there is a huge energy here just you won't find anywhere else. Austin, Texas isn't trying to compete with Silicon Valley anymore. Honestly, it already won. So, after hearing all these pros and cons of moving to Austin, Texas, would you still make a move there? Let me know in the comments.